What's up, guys? Today we're just going to go over fuel sump on the tank. Here's the XDP fuel sump. One thing you're going to need is a 3-inch hole saw, some Teflon tape, a 13/16 wrench for the fittings, and then you're going to need, I don't know what size this is. Obviously you're also going to need a drill. Alright guys, so first things first, you're going to want to shoot for the center of the tank as best as you can, and you want to make sure that you're not straight across from the factory fuel pump, because you have the straw that comes from this where it pulls the fuel, and you'll end up it'll be an interference between the two right there. So you want to shoot for the lowest point, but you want to try to be as center as you can. You also want to make sure that you have a good 5.5 inches of good flat surface. This point might be better right here. You just lay this up here against like that. That is definitely not flush. And if I move it this way, then it's hanging off just a little bit. So I'm gonna go right here. As far as it goes, and you don't want to thread it down all the way in there anyways, because you'll block your return feed. We got the standpipe and the fuel return and fuel feed lines. Got an O-ring, and boom, that's how it goes, just like that. So you can see this little floater, which is for your gauge on how much fuel you have, but it just goes straight up and straight down, and you can barely wiggle it side to side. I mean, it barely has any wiggle room coming back this way, and the reason why I'm checking that is because I want my fittings pointing out that way, which means the standpipe's gonna be right here, just like that. And as long as it goes just straight up and down, it'll be just fine. Shouldn't have any interference there. If you got anything like that right there hanging out, you want to take that off. Here's after the install, and it turned out super clean. Got my fast fuel lines running up and over the frame down to my fast system. Thanks for watching, guys, and like and subscribe.